Okay, children. So yesterday we had been doing what? Unseen passages.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now turn on the monitors, everybody. I want to see your registers with pen and pencil, and before you the unseen passage. Hurry up. Turn on the monitors, beta. Turn on the videos. Many are leaving. Monica, I don't want to see your face. Show me the registers in which you are doing the work. Monica. Hurry up, beta. Turn on the camera fast. Chirag, Kashish, Karan, Tarun, Nikhil, everybody. Mahima, don't take a long time. Gungun, Yashraj, Divyansh.
Ma'am, wait. Yes, ma'am.
Kashish Khandelwal, if you were absent yesterday, you did not see the school app. You did not see what was loaded on the school app, uploaded. Open it and find out the unseen passages are there. Yes, keep the registers with you, beta, and a pen. Mahima, Yash Pratap, Sonali Chaudhary, Anushika, hurry up, Sahil Jain, Tarun. जल्दी करो. हाँ ठीक है, आप अपने पास ही रखो. साहिल, आई हैव सीन इट. ओके. Monica.
Yes, ma'am.
The register to be shown. The camera should be on the register, not on your faces.
Okay, ma'am.
Sahil.
Yes, ma'am.
register पर, yes. Sonali Chaudhary, you're not able to turn on the camera? Nikhil? Sonali Chaudhary?
Ma'am, I am not able to turn on your camera.
Why? Gungun, what happened?
Ma'am, due to network problem, I am left the meeting.
Arey, you are there in the meeting, na? You might have not done your work, that is why you left. Monica,
Yes, ma'am.
switch on the camera, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Who's this Realme? The name is not there. Okay, now the first passage we had already done yesterday and I had already told you the answers of it. Okay. Everybody knows the answer? Why did Buddha enter his inner chamber? Buddha entered his inner chamber because he had come to give last look to his wife and his and his newborn child as he was about to go away forever, as he was about to leave all his riches, okay, forever, and wanted to attain or wanted to become a poor wanderer. What was the desire that made home in Buddha's mind? What was the desire? What he wanted to become? Who will answer it fast?
Buddha desired to give up.
Yes. Yes.
Buddha desired to give up all earthly bliss and become a homeless wanderer and poor student.
Okay. See, third line, the answer is there. The desire that made home in Buddha's mind. The desire arose in his heart to take the babe in his arms. Babe is the small baby. For the last time before giving up all earthly bliss.
All earthly bliss.
Got it? Everybody
Yes.
got the
Yes.
answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Write the meaning of resolution. What is the
Determination.
Ma'am, confirm decision. Ma'am, confirm decision to do something or not to do something.
Yes, you can write this, or determination you can write. Why did Buddha not touch anyone?
Buddha didn't touch anyone
Ma'am,
because
because
he feared that the loving soul of his family might shake his resolution.
Yes, see, Buddha did not touch anyone because he had this fear that they should be awakened. Okay? And the begging of the fond and the loving soul might uneven his heart and shake up his resolution. See line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See the fifth one. Fifth line, you got it? Buddha did not touch anyone because he had this fear that they might be awakened. Okay, correct the language and write it. Got it? They should awaken, nahi, they might be awakened. He had this fear, he had this doubt that they might be awakened, and the begging of the fond and the loving soul might uneven his heart and shake up his resolution. Clear or not? वो बहुत डर गए थे बुद्धा, है ना? उन्होंने टच नहीं करा, कहीं टच करने से वो लोग उठ नहीं जाए. ओके, वाइफ एंड हिज सन. और ये नहीं हो कि बुद्धा वीक हो जाए. ठीक है, जो रेजोल्यूशन लिया था, डिटर्मिनेशन, इट माइट ब्रेक अप. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write one
Yes, ma'am.
unique characteristics of Buddha.
Ma'am, he gave all his wealth forever, no, forever his wealth and position
Characteristic
and
क्या
more
था?
of
Resolute. Characteristic लिखना है resolute. Means he was very determined. Okay. Characteristic लिखना है
okay.
बेटा. Okay. तो resolution हमने देखा है ना उनका.
मैम बस यही आएगा.
हाँ, only one. He the passage is asking only one ना. सिर्फ एक ही पूछ रहा है ना passage. One characteristic. Written.
Okay, ma'am.
Now come to the second worksheet. Come to the second worksheet. Okay, now it's a beautiful poem, isn't it? The poem is there. जिन बच्चों ने नहीं लिखी है, better copy it down in the registers. So who's going to read it? Who will read? Mahima Pagaria.
Ma'am, can I read?
Okay, you read it. Jayanti, read down.
Yes. Why should I be the first to fall off all leaves on this old tree? So sadly soon I know that all will lose their hold and follow me. While my bird brothers bravely broke, why should I be the first to go?
Okay, now
Why should
okay, 1 minute. The poem is about the leaves falling. And one of the leaves, it is saying that why I should be the first one to fall. Okay. Now, it is the month of May and the old leaves, they have become yellow and they have become worn out. They have become withered and they are about to fall. So the leaf that is falling down, okay, it is talking. Yes, Jayanti, second para.
why should I be the first to cling of all leaves on this
Why
bleak
should I be the
blood?
last to cling? Last.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
I
read
have
it.
fluttered since the fire of spring, and I am born and withered now. And from our rich and dark decay will laugh our brothers of May.
Yes. And then,
Sa- Same is the fate all will face, but I am the first in this race. Let others enjoy His Almighty's grace, should never be away from their ways.
the ways. Okay. Now the leaf, it is saying, why should I be the first to fall on this earth? Okay, of all the leaves on this old tree. And though the leaf that is falling down, it knows very well that very soon, all the leaves, they will come on the earth. Okay. And then in the next para, it says that why should I be the last to cling? Cling means to get stick. Okay. Of all the leaves on this bleak bough, bough is what? The branch. Why should I be the last one to remain on this bough? Okay. I have been fluttering. I have been moving since the fire of spring and I am worn and withered now. Means since the spring season had come, the leaves, they take birth during the spring season or not? So it says that I have been moving since the spring season and now I'm very much worn, I'm very much tired and withered, means very dried and I had become very weak. Okay. And from a rich and dark decay, decay is the end, the ruin. Will laugh our brothers of May. Now this is the month of May and the season, it changes in the month of May and the old leaves, they would die soon and they would fall on the earth and the new one would bloom. Same is the fate of all, same is the fate all will face. Now same is the fate, same is the fortune of all the leaves, and all the leaves will face. But I am the first in this race, okay? Now all the leaves, they are going to fall down, but it says that I am the first one in this race. Let others enjoy His Almighty's grace, okay? The leaves that are not falling down, okay? They will fall sooner or later, but the writer says, the leaf says that let them enjoy the blessings of the Almighty and should never be away from their ways. Okay, and surely even they are going to come. Clear? Come to the question. First one, why does the falling leaf lament over its fate? Why does the fallen leaf lament? Why does the fallen leaf, it becomes sad over its fate?
Because it is the first one to fall.
Yes, the fallen leaf laments over its fate because it is the first one to fall. Okay, write down, because it is the first one to fall. This is the answer. You can write it. Second one, the other clinging leaf is sad. Write the reasons thereon. The other clinging leaf is sad. In the second para, the other leaf, that is clinging, that is hanging on the branch. वो sad है? क्यों sad है? Why? Who will answer? Yash? Yash, try it with the second para mein. The second leaf, it is very sad. It is still hanging on the branch. Why it is sad? Answer. Take out the answer from the second para only ना. कोशिश तो करिए आप. कोशिश करो.
मैम पैरा लिखा हुआ ही नहीं है मेरे.
पैरा लिखा हुआ नहीं है तो आपने वो खोला हुआ नहीं है ऐप जिस पर ये वर्कशीट है बेटा. हैं?
मैम न्यू एडमिशन है, पता नहीं है ना.
तो आप किसी की हेल्प लीजिए ना, आपको नहीं मालूम है. मोनिका.
ठीक है मैम.
मोनिका.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you answer it. Try to
1
answer.
minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Try to answer it, beta.
The other clinging leaf is sad because they because
Why? It is giving some
Yes,
reason.
ma'am.
Na? Sahil Jain.
because their brothers.
Sahil Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, answer.
Ma'am.
Try at least.
Yes, ma'am.
कोशिश करो. चिराग.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because the leaf is एक मिनट वो हम देख लूं.
Yes, see,
Worn
you are-
and withered now.
Yes, good. The other clinging leaf is sad because it is still clinging, though it has worn and withered. Okay, write the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
The other clinging leaf is sad. In this line, you will copy down from the question. Write the reason. What is the reason? Because it is still clinging, though it has worn and withered. Worn is very tired, okay, and withered is dry. Why this leaf is sad? Because it is very tired and it has dried, but still it is hanging, it is still sticking to the branch. So the other clinging leaf is sad because it is still clinging, though it is worn and withered. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is being desired by the other fallen leaves? In the third para, what is desired, by the other falling leaves?
Ma'am, the other fallen leaves decide that the all leaves have same fate, but before this, the other fallen leaves decide that other leaves enjoy Almighty's grace,
Yes. So
and
what
they
do
never
they want?
live.
Yes. The other fallen leaves are desiring to play together happily. Okay? The other fallen leaves are desiring to play together happily. To play together happily. Write the correct answer. To play together happily. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is the rhyming scheme? Rhyming scheme, you got it? In the last stanza, see, the rhyming word, does it matches with the other word, with the last word in the second line or not? Same is the fate all will face, but I'm the first in this race. The words are matching, the sound is matching or not? ये
Yes,
Matching,
rhyme
ma'am.
बन रहा है ना, face
Yes,
और
ma'am.
race? Rhyme बन
हाँ,
रहा है
ma'am.
कि नहीं? अरे मुंह से तो बोलो हाँ या ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Face and race तो ये similar है तो what we are going to write? We are going to put A. Face A. Again, it is matching with, race is matching with face. So again A. 11th में आ गए, इनको rhyming नहीं मालूम है. Written, face A, race A. Then let others enjoy his almighty's grace. Again the sound is matching with face and race. मैच
Yes,
हो रही
ma'am.
है कि नहीं? हाँ, तो ये भी ए में जाएगा. Last word, should never be away from their ways. Again the sound is matching ways.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो similar sound है ना, face, race, grace and ways. तो ए यानी rhyming scheme क्या है? A 4 times A.
मैम,
Yes, चिराग.
तो मैम इन सब में केवल राइमिंग वर्ड ही लिखना है, ओनली जो जो आ रहे हैं, या फिर अपन को यस
अरे
नो करना है?
राइमिंग वर्ड्स क्यों लिखोगे बेटा, जो अल्फाबेट के अकॉर्डिंग सॉर्ट आउट कर रहे हो ना. सी फेस है, ओके, ए हो गया. फिर रेस किसकी तरह साउंड हो रहा है? फेस की तरह हो रहा है ना लास्ट के.
हाँ मैम.
ओके, तो वो ए में जाएगा. इन केस यहाँ पर कोई और होता, जैसे टफ होता, ओके, तो वो बी बन जाता. फिर नीचे रेस होता तो वो वापस ए की कैटेगरी में जाता ना.
हाँ मैम, हाँ मैम, आ गया, आ
समझ रहे
गया.
हो? और उसके बाद रफ होता तो वो टफ की कैटेगरी में चला जाता ना, बी में.
हाँ मैम, समझ
समझ
गया.
गए? तो फेस, रेस, ग्रेस और वेस, यहाँ पे लास्ट की साउंड इट हैज नॉट चेंज एट ऑल.
यस मैम, वो क्या
तो
है,
हमने
एक ही एक आ रही है ना,
हाँ,
ए
पहले
ए.
हमने ए लिख दिया, तो अब रेस भी तो ए वाली कैटेगरी में जा रहा है ना, साउंड हो रहा है ना ए की तरह ही.
हाँ मैम.
तो हम ए लिखेंगे बेटा, वी आर गोइंग टू राइट ए ओनली. अब ग्रेस,
Yes, ma'am.
ग्रेस भी फेस की तरह ही साउंड हो रहा है ना.
हाँ.
सीई की साउंड आ रही है ना लास्ट में, चिराग.
यस मैम, आ रही है. फेस,
वो
ग्रेस.
भी ए में जाएगा बेटा. और वेस
Okay.
अगेन सेम साउंड इज देयर ना, से की
हाँ मैम.
आ रही है ना, तो वो भी ए साउंड में जाएगा.
ओके मैम.
आया?
हाँ मैम, आ गया.
श्योर? अच्छा देखो सेकंड पैरा देखो. क्लिंग ए,
मैम
क्लिंग.
स्प्रिंग.
वेट
स्प्रिंग.
1 minute. So second line पर आओ, bow. Now it is not matching with cling ना, मैच नहीं हो रहा है ना ये.
नहीं.
ओके, तो यहाँ पर हम बी लिखेंगे. ओके, समझ रहे हैं? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
See, cling A, the first will always be A. Okay. Then bow, it is not matching with cling, so it will be B. Then third में है spring. ये साउंड किसके साउंड से सिमिलर हो रही है, किससे मैच कर रही है?
Ma'am, cling से.
क्लिंग से. तो ये किस में जाएगा, ए में या बी में?
A में.
हाँ, तो आप ए लिखिए. गुड. नाउ किससे मैच हो रहा है? bow now. Similar sound देखनी है, not the spelling. See, bow.
Ma'am, B.
Now, okay, B लिखिए. Written. Now decay. Is decay matching with the sound of A or B? Decay match हो रहा है क्या किसी के sound से? Cling
No,
sound से
ma'am.
match हो रहा है? Bow या now
नहीं,
से
ma'am.
match हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा है ना? तो ये क्या आ
नहीं.
जाएगा? C.
C.
Okay, C आएगा ना, because A and B, they have already been categorized. Now it will be C. Decay may. A or may. It's matching or not?
Ma'am.
Yes, Chirag.
मैम ये इस वाली वर्कशीट की एक बार क्लियर फोटो एक बार भेज देना, क्योंकि साफ दिख नहीं रहे उसमें क्वेश्चन.
तो आप जूम करो ना बेटा, उसको जूम करके देखो ना.
मैम वो क्लियर नहीं दिख रहे हैं. जूम करके देख लिया, लेकिन
प्रॉब्लम होगी. मेरे क्लियर है. चलो मैं भेज दूंगी. I'll send it. Okay, I'll send it on the WhatsApp.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
है ना? तो डीके कौन सा हो जाएगा? सी हो जाएगा. ए साउंड और मे दोनों साउंड सिमिलर है लास्ट की.
यस मैम.
तो क्या हो जाएगा? मे भी सी में जाएगा. तो राइमिंग स्कीम क्या बनी, जल्दी बताओ चिराग.
मैम किस वाले की मतलब ए
राइमिंग स्कीम बताओ. ए फर्स्ट लाइन से शुरू करो. क्लिंग को हमने क्या मार्क करा? ए. चिराग.
हाँ मैम. ए बी. ए बी.
वेरी गुड. एंड
ए बी ए.
हाँ, ए बी ए. अगेन
ए
नाउ
बी ए बी और फिर सी सी.
वेरी गुड, गॉट इट.
हाँ.
ए बी
Yes, ma'am.
ए बी सी सी.
यस मैम.
Clear or
अरे
not?
नहीं आया अभी. देख ले नहीं आया अभी तो. ओके मैम चल रहा है. देख ले.
क्लियर?
यस मैम.
Tomorrow I'll teach you more. Okay. अब लास्ट जल्दी करो. What would happen in the month of May? Month of May में क्या होगा? In the month of May, season would change. Answer होगा season would change and there would be new blooms. Means new blooming of the flowers, the leaves will be there. In the month of May, season would change and there would be new blooms. There would be new blooms. Done?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, now the time is over. Tomorrow again we are going to continue it. Clear?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mahima.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.